Alrighty guys, room 3552 is a Oceanview porthole. Let's take a room tour. So as you walk in the room here, left-hand side is going to be, I think, oh, that's your, you know what that is? Bathroom light. We're figuring it out together because I just walked in the room about 2 minutes ago. 2 hangers right here. I kind of like that, hanger jackets. As you walk in here, we'll go to the bathroom first. Walk in, and this is going to be your bathroom. A couple more coat hangers. Nice. Listen, you can never have enough hanging room, to be honest with you. Pretty standard here. Let's see. As we open up. Hello, guys. Oh, opens this side. Some storage in that. Storage on that side. No storage on that side. I went to go grab that side. Big full-size mirror. Pretty standard sink. Towels. Cups. They do not have a tissue there. Storage down here. Garbage can. Pretty standard toilet. A couple towels. Should have some more towels there, I would like, but they don't. A standard shower. I'll tell you what they do have here, which I am happy about, is they have a door. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If you get on an old ship, sometimes they have a curtain, which is disgusting. So, full door there, which is nice. As we exit here, opposite side is going to be your closet. Got a safe. Now, I will tell you this. Oh, my goodness. You are not going to be storing much in this safe. My hand almost, that's about as much, I mean, it's like, I don't know what you're going to get in there. So if you bring any electronics, probably not going to fit it in this safe. Not very big. But you do have a safe. You got some shelving in there. You got something right here if you want to hang some additional clothes. We got tons of clothes hangers. I will tell you, this ship is starting to show some age. Definitely showing some wear and tear. Life jackets, hopefully we don't need those. Plenty of room down here if you want to leave your suitcases. Some additional storage up top. Not sure, I guess that's another, so you can hang something there. I'm not sure exactly what you're gonna hang there, but you got some hanger there. This must be the master lights. There's your master lights. Kind of cool. This ship is not as new that you don't have to put a room key in here to turn your lights on, so that's nice. Let's see, as we go in here, to the right-hand side is going to be your desk area. Always a good question is, how many outlets do you have? Well, you have 2 outlets here. That is it on here. So you got 2 outlets there. So you probably have storage here. Yep. Storage on that side. Storage on this side. You got your thermostat to determine how cold you want. I will tell you, it is kind of warm in here, and it is on the coldest. That's scary. You got your standard phone. Got some drawers here. Wow, that is an odd drawer. Safe disposal of medical needles. Okay, that drawer right there. Yeah, there's your tissue box. Blow dryer, drawer right there, and drawer right there. You got a trash can. You got some more drawers over here. Man, these things have seen some better days. Drawers there. Do have a fridge. Let's see how the fridge feels. Well, there it is. Not very cold. Fridge right there. It is empty. Got your standard television. You got your chair. And then as you turn around here, you have your mini chair, which is literally not very big. You got your table right there. Now, it's kind of cool. You got a curtain here. Well, you had a curtain. Oh. So, if you want to curtain it, you can. King size bed. I guess some artwork on the sides there. Let's see what you got here. Side table drawer. You got a light that does work. Let's see if we got an outlet. Not an outlet. No outlets that I see currently. No outlets. Looks like another master switch over there. Honestly, guys, there's not much more to show you in this room. It's kind of small.
Definitely, we have been on the oldest ship of Royal Caribbean, which is Grandeur of the Seas. Personally, I think this is showing more age than it should. It looks like Grandeur of the Seas, and it's definitely a lot newer. So I think they definitely need to do a dry dock and revamp the room. If you see the toilet in there, there's like scratches. Like, how does that even happen? I'm not really sure. Definitely an old ship and definitely not a great AC unit. So I've been on a lot of Royal, not my #1 room, that's for sure. It's an older ship, I get it, but for its age, it's a little rough. But anyway, that's the room tour. Like, subscribe, check out our buffet tour, our casino tour, our ship tour, and all our vlogs. And we will see you there. Don't forget to like, subscribe.